tonight's class. You are all welcome to tonight's class. Tonight we'll be looking at this is Mth122 stroke Mth312. We'll consider trapezoidal rule, trapezoidal rule. That is what we are going to look at. Amen. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. Please try your best to reach others so that they will be part of tonight's class. Is that clear? So, the trapezoidal rule is just all about integral running from a to b f of x dx is equals to h all over 2 open bracket y naught plus yn plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus to plus yn minus 1. Amen? I think I'm right. Yeah. Is that clear? Yeah, I'm right. Plus, this is trapezoidal's rule, and this is the formula. So now, assuming they said, let me just say, they said six interval. Talking about take 6 interval. It means, as they stated here, 6 intervals. It means your n is equals to 6. Is that clear? I just want to tell you how you can make use of the formula and know it very well. If interval 6 interval, you have to use 6 interval. It means, in the question, it means we are talking about your n is equals to what, 6. So this implies that the integral a to b f of x dx now be h all over 2 open bracket y naught plus, since our n is what? 6, right? So here will now be y6 plus 2 open bracket y1. Since it is up to 6, your y is up to 6. So we continue plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus, because here, since here is what? 6 minus 1 is 5. So y5. This is where you are going to stop. So this is how we are going to make use of this formula. Then your h is equals to b minus the interval minus all over n. Yeah. Minus all over b, this interval, the upper limit minus what? The lower limit all over n. This is how we are going to look at it, we are going to consider it. Is that clear? Are you following? Okay. Okay, so let's move further to consider an example. Let's move further to consider an example. One of the examples says calculate the value of example. Calculate the value of integral 0 to 1 down 1 all over x plus 1 dx. Amen. Okay? Yeah. Taking 6 intervals, Please get set with your calculators. By the trapezoidal, rule. Amen. Okay. So let's go ahead to solve this example. Please get set with your calculators. It's very important. Get set. Okay. So far so good. Let's write solution. Then what we need to do here is okay, integral 0 to 1 all over x plus 1 dx, and the formula, the condition given here is what? Taking 6 intervals. It means our n, where n is equals to what? 6, then our h is equals to b minus a all over n. Then note that from the formula, let me write it down. From the formula, integral a to b f of x dx is equals to h all over 2 open bracket y naught plus yn. Amen. Okay. Then plus 2 open bracket y1 plus y2 plus plus yn minus 1. True or false? Okay. So now he stated that taking 6 intervals. Is that clear? So this implies that our a, here, look at this integral, this function. A is equals to what? 0, right? And b is equals to what? 1. True or false? True or false? True or false? Okay. So far so good. So what we need to do here is let us obtain our h. It means our h will now be equals to b is 1 minus 0 all over 6. This is equals to 1 all over 6. Then 1 all over 6 is what? 0. What? Yeah, press your calculator, please. Somebody should press calculator. 1 all over 6 will give us what? One all over 6. Oh, Esther, I love that. going to give us 0.166. Okay, that's lovely. 0. That is our L will give us okay, yeah, or we leave it like this. We can leave it this way. It means this will now be, the formula will now be integral, integral 0 to 1. F of x is 1 all over x plus 1. Dx will now be equals to, h is 1 all over 6, right? So 1 all over 2 times 6, open bracket, y naught plus, here will now be y6, right? Then plus 2, open bracket, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. Am I right? True or false? True or false? It's true, right? Okay. Yeah. So here will automatically give us 12. 1 all over 12. Isn't it? We are going to have 12. 1 all over 12. So far, so good. Okay. So what we need to do here is here 2 times 6 is going to give us what, 12. So don't be surprised of seeing 12 here, because h is 1 all over 6. Then use it to multiply to 1 all over 12. So now we have to consider how can we obtain our what is it called, our y0, y6, y1, y2 up to y5 is simple as ABC. Is that clear? Yeah. So what we need to do here is let us have a diagram. Since from here he said we should take the intervals from the intervals 6, that is taking 6 intervals, true or false? So it means in the number line, let's go back to the number line. This is 0 to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see now? Are you seeing? Are you following? So we are going to consider 0 to, this is the interval we will consider. Is that clear? This is the interval we will consider. It means x, we are going to consider it from 0 to what? 6. Do you understand? Let us have a diagram. Let's have a diagram. Okay. So the diagram will now be in this form. Yeah. I want to clean this up. Let me clean this up. Let me clean this up. So the diagram will now be in this form. X, amen, 1, is equals to 0. X1 is equals to 1. X2 is equals to 2. X3 is equals to 3. X4 is equals to 4. X5 is equals to 5. Then X6 is equals to 6, right? Okay? So, yeah. This is Y, then let's, okay? Okay, let me leave it like this. Yeah. Amen. Amen. Okay. Yeah. I don't know whether you can see it. Whether you can see with blue. Okay. So now let's come back to the function. Are you following? Let's come back to the function. The function here we have what? 1 all over x plus 1, two of us. So our y is equals to 1 all over x plus 1. Then here is y. Here will be y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 up to y6. Is that clear? So far, so good. So at x equals to 0, it means this is what we are going to have. 1 all over x plus 1 equals to 1 all over 0 plus 1, which is equals to what? 1 all over 1 equals to what? 1. True or false? Can you see? Yeah, that is true. Okay, so let us proceed further. As x1 equals to 1, it means 1 all over x plus 1 is equals to 1 all over 1 plus 1. This is equals to 1 all over 2. What is the answer? 0.500, right? True or false? What is the answer? Please type it. 1 all over 2. It's not clear. Okay? I think let me use let me clean it again. I think I can clean here too. Yeah. So let's have it in this form. This is x. Can you see now? Oh. Let's try this. This is x1. X0 equals to 0. X1 equals to 1. Can you see now? X4 equals to 4. X5 equals to 5. Then X6 is equals to 6. Yeah. Can you see the board now? Can you see the board now, right? Can you see the board now? I think it should be network from your end. It should be network from your end. Here the network is okay. I can see the board clearly. Okay, so let's proceed to consider your y here is 1 all over x plus 1. So let us have it in this form. This is your y, so here is y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, up to y6, right? This is how you are going to arrange your table. Yeah. This is how you arrange the table. So far so good. So it means 1 all over x plus 1 is equals to your x naught, which is your x is equals to what? 0. So here we have 1 all over 0 plus 1 equals to 1 all over 1, which is equals to what? 1. True or false? True or false? Yeah? True or false? It's true, right? So let's consider 1, your x is 1, 1 plus 1, x plus 1 equals to 1 all over 1 plus 1, which is equals to 1 all over 2, equals to 0.5000. Am I right? Okay. So far so good. Let's consider this. 1 all over x plus 1 is equals to 1 all over 2 plus 1, which is equals to 1 all over 3. So 1 all over 3 is what? 0.3333, right? What is 1 all over 3? Press your calculator, please. One all over 3 is what? One all over 3. No answer. Okay? If there is no answer, let's proceed. Here we are going to have 0.33333, right? Then here 1 all over x plus 1 equals to 1 all over 3 plus 1, right? Then here we 1 all over 4. What is 1 all over 4? 0. What? 2222. 1 all over 4. Press your calculator now. 1 all over 4. That is 1 all over 4. 0.25000, right? Yeah. 0.25000. Yeah. S star 1 all over x plus 1 equals to 1 all over here is 4. 4 plus 1 equals to 1 all over 5, right? What is 1 all over 5? 1 all over 5 is what? One all over 5 will give us 0.14286, right? 0.14286. Am I right? Huh? Are you sure? 0.2. One all over 5 will give you what? Press your calculator. What is the answer? S star. It will give me what? 0.2000, right? 0.200, right? 1 all over x plus 1 equals to 1 all over 5 plus 1. This is 1 all over 6 equals to, okay, this one will give us 0.1. That's yeah. Esther, work on this. 1.1 all over 6. What is 1 all over 6? No answer? Zero 0.16667. Are you sure? One all over 6 will give us 0.1666. Okay? So here we are going to have 0.16666, right? Okay? Approximately here will be 7, if I'm not mistaken. Then here is 1 all over x plus 1 equals to 1 all over 6 plus 1 equals 1 all over 7. What is 1 all over 7? Press 1 all over 7. Esther. One all over 7. One all over over 7. I'm waiting for you guys. What is 1 all over 7? 1428. 0.1428. It's okay. Yeah, you are done with this question, because what left is for you to substitute into this. You know your x naught is 1. You know your y naught is 1. You know your y6 is this, plus 2 open brackets, you just multiply. So here we are going to have 1 all over 12, open bracket. What is x naught? 1 plus y naught, y6, sorry, is 0.1428, then plus 2 open brackets, y1 is this 0.555, 5, then plus y2 is 0.3333, right? Then plus y3, 0.25000, right? Then y4 plus 0.20000, then plus y5 is 0.16667, right? Okay, you will close the bracket. So I want you people to add this. If you add this, you are going to have 1 point what? 1 all over 12, open bracket, 1.1428. True or false? Plus 2. Add all of this and give me the answer, please. The first 5 people, I'm going to award you 2 marks. Add this, and this. Give me the answer, please. Very fast. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you guys. Mustafa, David. Add it up, add it up. What is the answer? Esther, David, Mustafa, Abubakar, Yaya. After adding up, you are going to have 1.45. You have 1 point. After adding this, and this, 1.45. I am multiplying by 2. 12, open bracket, 1.1428 plus, multiply by 2, you are supposed to have what? 0.089 2, right? 2.90, right? You are supposed to have 2.90, right? Yeah, 2.90. So here is supposed to be 2.90, 2.90. Okay. Then use 1.1428 to divide 12. What are we going to have? Use 1.1428 to divide 12. What is the answer? Blessing. Abdullahi Kabiru. Esther. People should use 1.1428 to divide, okay. Anthony, he said 0.09523. 0.09523 plus 2.90 plus 2.90. Are you sure we are in order? Add it up. You people should add it up. Anthony, 2.99952. Okay. So it means we are going to have 2.99952. Is that what you are saying? Okay. Okay. So that is the answer, right? .9958. So the answer is equals to 2.9958. Is okay? Any question, please? If you have any question, ask so that we can proceed further. If there is any question, ask. If you have any question, please ask. If you have any question, I want you to ask. Any question? No question? I want to clean. Then we proceed to consider Simpson. No question? Let's proceed. So this is how you are going to consider questions like this. So let's move further to consider Simpson's rule. Simpson's rule. Okay, so we'll consider Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule is given as integral a to b f of x dx is equals to h all over 3 open bracket y plus yn plus 4 all in bracket y1 y2 3 plus y5 then plus open bracket y2 plus yn minus 1. No. Y4, right? Yeah. Y4. Yeah. So this is Simpson's 1/3 rule. So whenever you are asked to use Simpson's 1/3 rule, this is what you are going to use. Is that clear? So let's go by one example. Find the value of example. Expect something like this. Find the value of integral 0 to 0.6 exponential x dx. Taking 6 sub intervals by the Simpsons, by the Simpsons 1/3 rule. Amen. Amen. Okay. Please don't forget to share immediately after the class. It's very important. So let's solve this problem. Let us solve this problem. We are going to solve it the same way. But he said we should take 6. Okay, so now let's obtain our, going by this, where our A is equals to what? 0, right? Then B is equals to 0.6, and N is equals to 6, right? So H is equals to B minus A all over N, which is equals to B is 0.6 minus 0 all over 6. Then, what should be your answer? It means our H will now be equals to 0.6 all over 6. Then what is the answer? 0.6 divided 6. 0.6 divided 6. Yes. Esther, Aliu, Yusuf. Zati. 0.1. Here we are going to have 0.1. So let us have our diagram. Is that clear? Is that clear? So since the interval is what? 6, right? The interval is 6. But here is fraction. Yeah. True or false? So it means we are going to, instead of 0, 1 to this thing, we are going to have 0.1, 0.1, 0. 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 up to 0.6. Yeah. So this is how we are going to approach it. So far, so good. So let us have our x. This is x naught equals to 0.0, x1 equals to 0.1, x2 equals to 0.2, x3 equals to 0.3, x4 equals to 0.4, x5 equals to 0.5, then x6 is equals to 0.6, right? Okay? So this is our y, and our y is equals to exponential x, right? Yeah. So here is y, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, up to y6. Amen? Amen. Okay. Yeah. Let me clean here so that you can see it clearly. Then write our h equals to 0.6 all over 6, which is 0.1. Okay. So it means press your calculator exponential 0.0 because your x naught is what? 0.0. What is exponential 0.0? 1.00, right? Your calculator, press it. 1 point what? 1.00. Then what is exponential 0.1? Press your calculator. Press your calculator. Exponential 0.1, 1.10517. Yeah, I'm waiting. Press exponential 0.1. Press exponential 0.1. Michael Adeza. Exponential 0.1 will give you 1.105. Are you sure? Abubakar, press, go to your calculator, press exponential 0.1. Exponential 0.1. What is exponential 0.1? You are going to have 0.10517. Then press exponential 0.2. Then press exponential 0.3. Press exponential 0.4. Press exponential 0.5. Press exponential 0.6. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. What is exponential 0.2? Exponential 0.2. Press exponential 0.2, please. Yes, exponential 0.2. Esther, Suleiman, David, Wise, Adax. Exponential 0. Press your calculator. No. Press exponential 0.2. 0.2. 1.22140. Yes. This person, Anthony, you have been frequent. 1.221. 1.22140. Yeah, press, Anthony, press 0.3. Press 0.3, exponential 0.3. Anthony, Press exponential 0.3. 1.34986. 1.34986. Press exponential 0.4. 0.4. 1.49182. 1.49182. 1.49182. Yeah, am I right? Then press 0.5. Exponential 0.5. Going to have 1.64872. 1.64872. 1.64872. Then press exponential 0.6. Press exponential 0.6. We are going to have 1.82212. 1.82212. 1.82212. Okay. Yeah, so let's go back to the formula. I think we should go back to the formula. Since the n is 6, so here will be what? 6, right? Here will be 6. So this implies that I can claim this, right? This implies that our h, let me write the h here, h is equals to 0.1. True or false? Okay? So let's clean here and substitute in whole. So this implies that integral 0 to 0.6 exponential x dx is equals to, what is your h? H is 0.1 all over 3. Then open bracket y naught. Y naught is 1.000 plus y6. Y6 is 1.82212. Then plus 4 open bracket y1. Y1 is 0.10517 plus y3 is 1.34986. Then plus y5 is 1.64872 close brackets plus 2 open bracket. Y2 is this 1.22140. Then plus y4. Y4 is 1.49182. Yeah. So I want you guys to complete the rest part of this arithmetic. Is that clear? So complete it and tell me the answer. Write your answer. So what is the answer? I think our final answer is 0.8221186. 0.8221186. This is answer. So, gentlemen and ladies, I want to appreciate you for your time. Thank you, and may God bless you. Please don't forget to share it on your Facebook wall or TikTok or any media you find yourself. I'll be very grateful. Like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. Bye. See you guys.